Hello friends, fighting kesung tini National iOS Mission ni bising tina ketal post ni notification kaisa nailayana o notification ka Government of Tripura Office of the Member Secretary National iOS Mission State iOS Mission Tripura ni bising tina notification akorkha oro tinta post ni murujak tongo Medical Officer Homeopathy Medical Officer Ayurveda Multi-Purpose Worker o post kaitani bagai no notification akorkha o post ongkha working interview ni bisingtina selection khaijaknai 11 month ni bagai na contractual basic tilangjaknai oro oro tinta component khagui rijak tongo category wise mobile medical unit ni bagai oro medical officer ayurveda ni bagai post ekta tongnai te medical officer homeopathy ni bagai na post ekta multi purpose worker ni bagai post ekta tongnai te salary details na norok kaham khenai di 2 number jak tongo ayurvedi ni bagai medical officer ayurveda ni bagai total post 8 tongnai multi-purpose worker ni bagai 8 post tongnai oro salary ni details jak tongo inke oro category wise HC ST UR component human resource for service delivery ni bagai medical officer ayurveda ni bagai 18 post tongnai te medical officer homeopathy ni bagai 18 post tongnai oro category wise vacancies ni details jak tongo tai norok kaham khenai nei di inke friends eligibility criteria hingke medical officer homeopathy tei medical officer ayurveda ni kobangma eligibility criteria sanjak tongo tei norok kaham khenai di hingke multi-purpose worker ni bagai hingke madhyamik pass 12 pass tei logio ANM 2 years course khaijak tongkhe norok multi-purpose worker ni bagai working interview rwmanai hingke friends norok jara interested candidate tongnai application khaina mujukhe norok application form no fill up khlaiui oro email ID rijak tongo email ID ni bisingtini norok application no send ma khainai 21 July 2023 ni simi 4 August 2023 rotei norok application joma rimanai application form ni loge norok ni documents tama nangnai oro details rijak tongo notification no ang video ni description no rirwnai tei norok video ni description ni thani kaham khe download khlainai di ke norok jara application khaina mujugui tongnai tei norok oro Gmail ID tei norok application joma marinai o post ongkha working interview ni bisingtino selection khaijaknai as relaxation rijak tongo oro UR hingke 42 years tei HC ST hingke 47 years rotei hingke friends faidisang tinta post ni bagai application form no kisa nailayana omo ongkha medical officer ayurveda ni application form omo ongkha medical officer homeopathy ni application form MPW ni application format ongkha omo tei norok video ni description ni thani application form no manano hingke friends norok nugui mankana National iOS Mission ni bisingtini ketal job ni notification omo hai ketal job ni notification naina bagai hasteni jobs YouTube channel no subscribe khlai support khai di।